Palmawatch is a complete yacht service company based inside what is probably the best open shipyard for super yachts. STP in Palma de Mallorca, the main yachting hub in the Western Mediterranean. Palmawatch offers an exclusive gardeners caretaking service for smaller yachts without the need for a full-time crew. We provide a turnkey service to allow owners to spend more time on the water and less downtime making repairs. For yachts that are for sale, we work closely with the sailing broker to make sure the boat is clean and presentable prior to viewings. We also offer captain services for sea trials and surveys prior to purchase. Inside of STP Shipyard, we operate a well-established workshop specializing in metalwork and fabrication, carpentry, plumbing, new and retrofit installations. Furthermore, we undertake haul-out services which include anti-foul application, shaft and propeller service, seacock servicing or replacement, and rudder removal and servicing. This is all carried out by our core team of trained professionals from marine engineers to shipwrights. We have recently launched our Refit division to fulfill the increasing demand for an independent refit management service for yachts up to 60 meters. Palmawatch also offers material supplies and are the official agents for various brands of carbon gangways, ocean air blinds, Max Prop, PSS shaft seals among others. Palmawatch yacht maintenance and project are devoted to customer satisfaction and quality service.